Thank you, Kaspers, for the invitation, and we just want to wake you up now a little bit with a movie we just prepared for the IPO.
Domain of inventors and engineers, birthplace of outstanding ideas. Here is the domicile of Hess, a family business in the third generation. Christoph Hess took over the company from his father in 2007. Light is the company's calling. Hess develops intelligent outdoor lighting for the world and has done so successfully for decades. Hess produces in Germany and the USA. With a sales network that spans the globe, Hess is represented on all continents. The demand for Hess products is growing worldwide. Hess offers complex lighting solutions and a state-of-the-art LED product portfolio. Street lighting, wall and floor luminaries, products bearing the Hess brand are equipped with a multitude of technological innovations. The unique design language is characteristic for luminaires and urban furnishing. With this high-grade product range, Hess supports architects, lighting and urban planners in designing public environments. Lighting and urban furnishings harmonize perfectly with historical and modern architecture. Concept, planning, implementation. Customized solutions for the illumination of architecture and outdoor spaces from a single source. The world needs light, and demand will continue to increase. By 2020, the market relevant for Hess will have grown from today's 52 billion to 88 billion euros. Such growth is driven by the following factors. Up-and-coming regions in Asia and Latin America are investing in their infrastructure. Today, already half of humanity lives in cities. These megacities need light. Energy efficiency makes this growth possible and ecologically acceptable. European cities and communities are modernizing, an enormous potential for innovative lighting solutions. Efficient technology is available. LED is revolutionizing the lighting market and superseding outdated systems. The LED segment is growing faster than the overall market. By 2020, the share of LED lighting relevant for Hess will already make up more than 60% of market volume. Within this positive environment, Hess utilizes the arising opportunities. Internationalization and growth are being propelled ahead. At Light and Building, the leading world trade fair for the branch, Hess presents innovations in the LED sector. Joint developments and strategic cooperations, as with Osram, underline the LED competence of the company. Innovations such as intelligent systems with sensor technology convince the professional public. Lighting in streets and squares adapts flexibly to traffic volumes and weather conditions. This saves energy. Intelligent and controllable lighting systems are the future. Frankfurt's nighttime skyline. It too is the work of successful lighting architects around the Frankfurt artist Thomas Emde. Skyscrapers, the cathedral, and the stock exchange. He is the creator of lighting concepts for many of the city's landmarks. With its subsidiary Emde Light, Hess has set out to new frontiers. As part of the corporate group, Emde Light creates artistic highlights in the field of architectural lighting. Light instead of luminaires. Projects give rise to innovative products, such as the patented Emde Light glass. Doha, the capital of Qatar. In the Middle East, Hess and Emde Light are also successful with joint projects. The world-famous Tornado Tower. Emde Light provided concept, products and planning, all from a single source. Another major project, the Bawa Commercial Avenue, a shopping mall stretching for 8.5 kilometers. Hess provides street lighting, facade spotlights and urban furnishings. The lighting concept and products for the facade are from Emderlight. Hess is on track for the lighting of the future. OLED, organic LED. Patented inventions in this sector guarantee Hess an option on the technology of tomorrow. Electrical voltage transmits charge carriers into organic layers. This process leads to light emission. Surface light appears soft and glare-free, as natural as sunlight. The light of the future is intelligent, friendly and clean. It preserves our resources, provides warmth, creates confidence for future generations.
Yeah, but that was just a movie. I have the roadshow presentation with me, but of course, because of time and the movie is, I think, goes so deeply into the company details. I just give me 5 minutes just to go over the major slides. 4 minutes, okay, to the presentation. I will do it if you can start it. Okay, is that working like that? Left or right? So, okay, in general, the message is Hess produces products which are very important for the energy efficiency of the world. So, because we are able to reduce energy up to 70%, and there's a lot of energy used in general for lighting worldwide, so that gives us a very good opportunity for the market growth. You have seen shown by the new McKinsey study, you can find also on the internet, actually just 2 weeks old. So lighting products, also like in the movie, we are focused on outdoor lighting, and that gives us at the moment, I think, a very good market position, because the outdoor lighting is very concentrated. In indoor, you are very fragmented from shop lighting to hospital lighting. So we can focus also with our R&D in one segment, and again, we're here one of the only companies in the world to really focus on outdoor lighting and not have a mix like the big players like Philips, for example, or Zumtobel. The idea is seen also in Qatar and in but other projects is also in Asia, is to create a lighting concept. So usually the biggest success we have, if we are not tendering in a hard competition, we give our clients the possibility to do concept, show light instead of luminaires, and that's one of the successful stories for us. Yeah, made in Germany and in the USA for the local market in USA, Canada, and Mexico. We are since more than 12 years in South Carolina, successfully grows and profitable over all the years, which is not so. Which you can't see so often on German or European companies. So what we're doing in Russia, there also we are at the moment negotiation with Optogan, that's a company, integrated LED and luminaires manufacturing, and other, for example, as with Tula in special projects, but generally we are with Zumtobel Zone on the market, but looking also for own solutions. Yeah, just to give a short view on OLED. Our patent is, if you believe that OLED comes as LED at the moment into a bulb, then we have this patent worldwide to, if you see, you want to have the bulb still in the houses or in the existing installations, then this is the patent from Hess for the OLED for the next lighting generation, which has a lot of possibilities. So in general, there's increasing of demand of lighting, and on the other side, necessary reduction of energy consumption, and therefore Hess stands with their LED knowledge. So I can switch that. Cost reduction, energy saving, and here up to less than 80% CO2 emission reduction in lighting. And this is also supported by governments locally. Here's an example, 78% specification from the people in the town. And that's just Stuttgart here, also a big reduction in changing the existing lighting, the luminaires. Yeah, just as LED and OLED, I just have to switch. That's for the moment. So the investment highlights here, I will leave you with that. As announced, VS has announced on last Friday that we will go public, hopefully quite soon. What we get from the market back as feedback is very positive at the moment. We are in the same press with Talanx, and that is hopefully then a good end for the story for Hess. Thank you very much. Questions? Sorry, I'm too fast, but that's the roadshow, and you always have to run away for the next date.
Go ahead, Jimmy, yeah. This is working.
Where do you see the sort of technical innovation in LED lighting in the, say, next 5 years? Where do you sort of see the R&D developing? You know, do you, in your view, see a new paradigm shift in this sector?
We are not developing the LED. That's component business. That's a business of the Asian companies like Toshiba, LG, Samsung, or Philips. We are working with the application, so we use LED. So all the further developments expected in LED technology helps us because it either reduces the cost or gives better, has a better potential for us as an application producer.
Which kind of leads me on to just a follow-on question of where do you see the key markets developing over the next sort of medium term? You know, you sort of mentioned the Middle East, China, some of those markets. What about places like Africa, India, from an affordability perspective? Do you sort of see that becoming much more coming on stream?
Might be the fair answer is we are very, very, very busy at the moment, especially in the Middle East and also in Asia. As you've seen, we have very big projects in Qatar there, so we are also linked to the Sheikh of Qatar with special projects for the palace and so on. And there are big tenders and big projects, especially in the region. It's not only Qatar. We just opened the office in Dubai at the moment. It's Oman, it's Dubai, it's Qatar, Abu Dhabi. So therefore, it's really a focus for us because we are already there since a lot of years. We have the experience there. We've made very big projects like the Bava Commercial Avenue with Hochtief. It's a project. Now we are listed in the Hochtief organization worldwide for further projects. And then part of that, I think the focus is really on the new markets in Asia, like Malaysia, like Indonesia, like Thailand, and so on. So for a really big growth. We're very stable in Europe. Because we have a focus on North and Middle Europe. We never had a lot of business in South Europe, so that helps at the moment. Also, if you see in the competition to all the Italian and Spanish competitors we have in the market, we have a much more stable business model at the moment.
Okay, thank you very much, and good luck with the roadshow. Thank you.